If you want to check out a fun and tasty Midori cocktail, keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody, so today I'm going to make a cocktail which is on the current menu at the 18th Amendment Bar. It is created by Indra Saryani. He is the venue manager here at the 18th in Geelong. And he's kind of resurrected Midori. It's just kind of like his twist on a Japanese slipper, and it has been flying out the door here at the 18th Amendment Bar. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to make the cocktail, then I'm going to show you how we present it here at the 18th because it's really cool. So this is a stirred down cocktail. I've never stirred down Midori before, but we're looking at 40 mils or 1 ounce and a third of Midori, Melon liqueur. Smells really good too. Next up, it has 20 mils or 2/3 of an ounce of sake. Then 5 mils of Pandan Essence. If you're wondering what Pandan Essence is, it's from the pandan leaf. You can find this essence at pretty much any Asian grocery. Then 10 mils or 1/3 of an ounce of sugar syrup. Now, last but not least, in the cocktail that we use here at the 18th Amendment, we use a citric acid solution. The reason we do that is we can stir it down. So normally I wouldn't stir down a cocktail that has lemon juice or any fruit juice in it. But I'm going to use the lemon juice for this cocktail. However, I'll explain why we use a citric acid later. Okay, 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. And let's give it a stir down. Okay, so I mentioned before that we use citric acid solution. It's a substitute for lemon juice. It's normally used here at the 18th with any cocktail that's sort of stirred down or if we pre-batch. So we turn over probably about 1,000 cocktails a week here at just the Geelong venue. So by pre-batching, it saves a lot of time. It's perfectly consistent, every single cocktail that we make. And it's just what pretty much all the big, high volume, fancy bars are doing all over the world at the moment. Now I'm going to strain that into a Nick and Nora glass. Look at that colour. That's amazing. Now using the citric acid, it would look totally different. It's kind of clear all the way through. I can tell that there's some fresh lemon juice there. So I'm going to give it a taste. Yum, that's really good. It's been massive. Our menu's only been out for like a month and a half, something like that, and these ones are just flying out. Why as well? Why is it called Hidden Hooch? Because the way that we serve it up is we will present at the table an empty glass, a book, and when you open up the book, the cocktail is actually already pre-made in the hip flask. The customer will pour it into the glass. Hidden Hooch, a lot of fun. That's why we use the citric acid solution, because we're not shaking it up. We'll pre-make it, pour it into the hip flasks, keep it in the fridge. Customers are loving it. It's Instagram worthy. It looks cool. It's a little hidden book. We're a prohibition bar. It all ties in. But most importantly, they reorder because it is a super tasting drink. Well done, Indra. Guys, please like, subscribe. 18th Amendment Bar in Geelong. That's where we are. And Ballarat. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.